Hey, what's going on, everybody? Tonight I'm going to show you guys how to make the special Disney pineapple Dole whip. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You know, Disney has shown a bunch of recipes that were exclusive to the parks. And there's been a few different renditions of the Dole whip that have been floating around the internet. People think they got it figured out. But Disney said, here it is. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that. And it's 3 ingredients. It's super simple to make, so let's jump into it. Now, if you guys like the videos, please hit the like button. We'll keep making more videos like this for you. And hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified when we come out with new videos, all right? So the machine that I'm going to be using is the machine that I use in my demos. It's the A3500 Vitamix, and we're going to be using the 48-ounce container, the more narrow one. I'm going to be using this one for the demo because we're not going to be making a whole lot. So we're only going to be making about this much, which is probably about 2.5 to 3 cups. And I find that the narrow container just does a little bit more efficiently, okay? So to get this going, what we're going to start with here is 4 ounces of pineapple juice, okay? 1 large scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can use either regular ice cream or non-dairy ice cream, your choice, okay? All right, and 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Perfect. All right, now, on the machine, the setting that we're going to use is the frozen dessert setting, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. You'll see it's pre-programmed already. We're going to press play, and off it goes. All right, perfect. So in a short amount of time, with very few ingredients, we have that special, exclusive to Disneyland, Disney World, Disney everything, Dole whip. Now there's a couple different ways that you can serve this. You can serve it just like I am. You can see it almost has this kind of soft serve consistency right there. Or you can even put it into like a piping bag, and you can use a frosting tip, and you can make it into little swirls if you want to put onto like little cones, or if you want to put it onto maybe even waffles. Hey, we're stuck at home. We kind of do whatever we want now. All right, you guys, try this at home. It's amazing and super, super simple to do. Let's go ahead and try this baby out. I already know it's going to be good. Just made it last night. Yep, that's the one. Nailed it, you guys. All right, hit that like, hit that subscribe for us, okay? Cheers.